It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 27th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Very pleasant conditions around the area today. Temperatures above average, but then by Thursday, we'll start to see a major change in the overall weather pattern. Much cooler and unsettled conditions come in, and that'll continue into the weekend and perhaps into next week as well. Let's talk about it as we take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 76 for the high, 48 for the morning low. And outside right now here at 7:30 a.m. Mostly clear skies in the valley beginning this day at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 26, humidity 37%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, mostly in the 40s and low 50s. Around the nation, it's chilly with freezing temperatures all the way down into parts of Texas, much of the southeast U.S., below average readings thanks to this big upper trough over the eastern half of the country, pulling down all that cool Arctic air. The watch warning map, we've got freeze warnings across the southeast Alabama, Georgia, the Florida panhandle. Freeze watches extend further south into Florida. Elsewhere, some winter weather advisories, parts of North Dakota, the interior west, and the Pacific Northwest. Nothing in Arizona at this point. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country. A little bit of thunder in the Pacific Northwest and extreme South Florida. And rainfall for the next 7 days, maybe around 1/4 of an inch here in the valley. Some heavier totals up north as we will see some unsettled conditions coming in. We'll get into the details of that now as we check out the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet. We've got an upper low to our south, and otherwise a flat ridge in here for today. So more of the same with mostly sunny skies down at the surface today. High temperatures this afternoon should be in the mid-70s. A beautiful day. Tonight, mostly clear skies with lows mainly in the 40s and low 50s. And then tomorrow, we'll see a gradual increase in clouds late in the day. Otherwise, should be mostly sunny with high temperatures in the mid-70s. On Thursday, here's our next system coming on in, with rain coming into Southern California in the morning and gradually making its way into the western part of the state by later in the afternoon. So we'll call the day increasingly cloudy, mostly cloudy by the afternoon with a slight chance of showers. Then better chances of rain come in Thursday night. A 40% chance of rain is what I've got in the forecast for now. Highs backing off into the upper 60s and low 70s. And then once that front passes by, much cooler air comes in. Friday, we'll call it partly sunny with a slight chance of showers lingering around, especially in the morning. High temperatures will be cooler, low to middle 60s. Then over the weekend, unsettled and cool conditions will prevail. Partly sunny on Saturday, a small chance of a shower. I think the better chances stay over northern Arizona, though. High temperatures, upper 50s and low 60s. And then a more organized system comes in here Saturday night into Sunday, and that'll give us a slightly better chance of showers. Some of the guidance is still a little bit variable on this. There's not a lot of consistency here, so we'll just go with a slight chance of showers for now. Highs could stay in the 50s all day though, and it will be breezy. All right, Monday, partly sunny. Highs back in the low and middle 60s as we'll start to dry out a bit. Here's a week from today, Tuesday, the 4th of December. Still looks cool and relatively dry. Highs low to mid 60s. And then let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the period. Thursday, the 6th of December, another low approaching us from the west. And that means another round of unsettled conditions could come in here. A bit of forecast uncertainty, of course, but the overall trend is for a more unsettled and cooler weather pattern in here for the first week of December. That looks nice. Temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Yep, we're going to take it below average. Highs in the 60s, maybe even staying in the 50s a couple of days. Lows mostly in the 40s. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. You guys be safe out there. Have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday. And here is your forecast.